What is up, guys? It is Lando, and today I'm going to be unboxing the TengYun V2M. So I'm just going to take it out of the box. Here is the cube, and I also bought some Martian lube that I'm going to put in it. And here is the Speedcube Shop business card. So here's the box that it comes in. It says TengYun 3rd Cube 2nd Generation, or the TengYun version 2. So I'm just gonna take it out of the box. So there it is. So here's a little pamphlet on how to tension it. This side is in English. That'll come in useful for whenever I want to tension it later. So here is the cube. It comes in plastic wrap. I'm going to put that off to the side. And here's the box. There's this little part which has all of the tensioning tools in it. So it comes with an extra core you can put in there, and then a screwdriver, more springs, another screwdriver. I think this one's for the screws inside, and this one's for adjusting the magnets. And then there's just your regular old pamphlet that teaches you how to solve it. And then there's another tensioning tool for the inside of the cube. So I'm just gonna put all of this stuff off to the side, and I'll use it later. So here is the cube. So I'm just gonna take the cube out of the plastic wrap. There we go. Here is the cube. The shades of the colors are really nice and vibrant. Alright, so right here it says that number 1 is the strongest, number 2 is medium, and then number 3 is the weakest. So I'm gonna put it on number 1. So right now it's on number 2. I'm gonna put it on number 1. So you can see right there, there's a 2, and I'm just gonna swap it over to 1. I think that's all of them because I changed these and these. So I think that's it. Oh yeah, I can already feel a difference right now. It feels stronger. Alright, so right here on this one, it says that do not twist the piece travel of the screw too tightly, otherwise the controls cannot move and the parts might be damaged. If control cannot be adjusted, loosen the screws with the screwdriver. I think that's why it came with an extra core. So if you mess up the core inside of the cube, then you can just put in the new core. So the cube feels pretty good out of the box. So it can corner cut about 45. And it can reverse about 1 piece. Like right there, you can reverse it. Like right there. But if you do it just a little bit over, it doesn't, because that goes over. So it's pretty good out of the box, and there's a little bit of grease on the outside from the lube. So I might clean that off. And so right here is like how it works. So under the center cap, that's what it looks like, and it looks like there's two different things and then a screw. So that's the tension control, that's the centerpiece travel, and then that's the unlimited axis distances adjustment. And there's like numbers on there, so you can see that there's 0.6, 0.8, just 1, and then 1.2, and they're on the under there. The TengYun version 2 centerpiece travel control provides 4 different axis distances, which are 0.6, 0.8, 1, and 1.2. The larger the number, the longer axis distance, and the more corner cutting and smoother. Use the adjustment tool or hand press and twist the centerpiece travel control to get the correct control set. So after tensioning and putting in a couple drops of Martian lube, it feels really good. So it can like corner cut almost every single angle you try, and it can reverse really well. So I put my tensions on 1, and then I put the magnets also on 1, because that's the strongest. Right now, I think that this cube could really be main worthy. I think it is going to be my main from now on. My main right now is the Thunderclap version 3, but it is the Cuberithm Special Thunderclap version 3 that you can only get on Speedcube Shop, which I think it's sold out right now. I think that this is going to be my new main. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.